Hello, so today I will show you how to fix the AMD driver issue. So first of all, you want to open a device manager. Then you want to open the display adapters. Right click on your GPU and select properties. And then head to the driver tab. Now, if the rollback driver option is enabled for you, that's good, and then you're gonna go ahead and click it. It will try to roll back your GPU driver to the previous version, which is most likely is a stable one, and it will fix the problem. Now, if it doesn't, what I would recommend to do is to go and search for the official AMD drivers. Go to your browsers, search for AMD drivers, go to the official page of AMD, and this will be the first one. You want to avoid this specifically because the faulty drivers usually are the latest version, and this is the latest version, so you want to avoid that. Instead, you will scroll down just a bit, and you try to search for your drivers. So it's a GPU, so graphics. Select your product family. Mine is the RX. Then you want to select your product line. Mine is the RX 9000 series, and then mine is the RX 9060 XT. So after you are done with all these 4 questions, you click submit. And now you have a lot of options depending on the operating system you might use. I specifically use Windows 10, so I will open the Windows 10 option. So now you say I have 2 different options to download, but which one should I pick? Well, I know for a fact that the driver with the issue is the latest driver, which is this one. It will auto detect and install the latest driver, and I don't want that because you can see here the last date is like 2 days ago. So I know for a fact this is the faulty latest driver, and I want to avoid that. Instead, you want to go with the previous version, which is like that, which is like 20 days ago, and you can see like the version here as well. If you don't know the version by heart, you can Google it, it's fine. So what you're gonna go here is like, you're gonna go click download. You will download basically an exe file. You can take a look here. It's an executable. When it's downloaded, you can just double click on it and it will start an installer. And you just go next, and it will be fine. You will have to restart your computer at the end. That's gonna be normal. And your computer screen might go black, which is also completely normal when you update your GPU drivers. I hope these 2 options will solve the issue for you guys. Tell you that I had this issue twice, and the first time I used the one with the rollback driver, and the second one I used the manual installation of a previous version of drivers, and both of them work perfectly fine, and I'm okay right now. I wish you the best of luck. If any of these options work for you, let me know that in the comments so other users will know and try to replicate the same solution. If it didn't, let me know. I'll try to help you further with another option, another solution. I'll see what I can do. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye, everybody.